Okay, this is going to be probably the shortest video I ever do, and that's because of Rev. You want to add captions to your video. You want good titles, a really nice description, great tags that correlate to the description and to the title, of course a great thumbnail, and YouTube looks at all those things. They also look at your captions. Here's what you do. 1, go to Rev. 2, point them at your YouTube video. 3, pay your $1 a minute. 4, do nothing. Seriously, they go have real humans go through, caption the video, they put the captions up for you on your YouTube channel, they remove YouTube's crummy robot captions, and they publish them and you're all done. So literally, go to Rev, point them at the YouTube video, pay $1 a minute, and you're done. And there you go. I told you it was going to be a really short video, and there you go. It's that simple. If it's too simple for you, I can make it more complex, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Oh, you're still here. I got nothing else to say. I know, it is that simple. You point Rev at your video and you pay $1 a minute and you walk away and you're done. The next video, I'll make it longer. How about that? Because I know it's just too simple. It's too simple. It's too simple.